Okay, real quick, I'm going to show what the TBS box is for FPV crate this month that we have waited a whole month for. It's like a month late. It feels a little light. I've never done this before, but I'm going to let it go. I'm doing it outside because it's really nice out here. And I'm about to fly. Of course, you know, nobody cares about that. There's the stickers. These are cool. Pretty cool. And there's the, with a 6% off TBS coupon. There's the letter. These looks like some new T-Motor props. They're 5146s. I wonder if they're battery drainers like the 5147s were. Oh, and look at this. Here we go. Well, let's start with this one. That is nice. That's cool. A new little Triumph. You can see it in there. I'm not going to open it now. And then, okay, what's this? Oh, it's a couple of glass ND filters. Okay. I haven't used those yet. And there's the prize of the pack. Hey, you know something? There's no t-shirt. That's kind of disappointing, but I don't know. I think this makes up for it. That's the, it's the TBS Unify Pro 32 high volt MMCX. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.